from the shell. Alright, name. 1, 2, to Teacher Joy from Giselle Picajas. Chocolate! Another chocolate. To Teacher Joy from Jabrel. Balloon. To Teacher Joy from Jared Travis. Jared Travis compra. No name. Waray name. Waray name. To no name. No name. Ay.
Ay, wala din likuran te.
Ayaw, di dala ma. Okay na din. Waray name. Oh, no name. Oh. Kika. Kan marasa. Teacher Joy from Rigel. You know, sa flowers, oh. From Trisha K. Johan Trisha K. Kapranka. Di ba? Light. Yay! Kisses from Mindy. Mindy Tisado. Cute, cute. From who? Raining. See. Scented candle from Blessed Kanyas. From Floyd. Look.
Nanti nila mo, sila niya sa kubuti na.
Tada! Diba mo nilagyan po post na rin? Tada! Sa atin. No more sana all.
Nagkaroon, no?
No, satin. Handmade. From, oh, Teacher Joy, to Teacher Joy. What I name? This one, what I name? Frozen. More chocolate. No name. Happy Valentine's Day from Anthony Similar. Ballpen and chocolate. More chocolate. More Kit Kat. Happy Valentine's Day from Christine Similar. From Isay. From Isay.
Okay, so,
Tadaan! Favorite ng lahat! From Giancarlo! Thank you! And, tada! Ambot, oray man ini. Oops! Cupcakes. From, saan man gikan? Uy, isa ba ito naghatag ani? Uy, oray man ini name. Thank you so much. Oray name. Pero inin usa. Duha ako nimo nato. Gatag ni Lance. Gatag ni Lance. Thank you, Lance. And Soy.
bus. Okay.
No, cupcake. Uy, more. Igoy! Kani? From Johan D. Personalized nga pen. With my name. Teacher Joy. Ano yun? Personalized na pen. Personalized na pen. My Teacher Joy. Oh, this one. Ito. From Zoe Ponce. Flower bouquet. Tapos, the chocolate. Thank you. And then, cards. Oops, oopsie. Oops, oops, oops. Cards. Dear Teacher Joy, you are our teacher who inspires love for learning every day. You're amazing. Happy Valentine's Day. Love, Arkisha. Arkisha Luis. Thank you, Arky. Oops. Oh, katutaas. Uy. From Claire. You are the most beautiful teacher. In my eyes, you're the most beautiful teacher in my eyes. You're not just a teacher, you're the heart of our classroom. And that's not all you are, our second mother. You always love us and care for us. Thank you for being our guiding star in education and life. You shower on all of us, makes you the best teacher. On this day, we appreciate the care of every lesson. We love you, Teacher Joy, with all my heart and soul. Thank you. All my heart and soul. Sound good and with all my heart and soul. Thank you, Claire. Happy Valentine's Day from Thea. Thea. What's this, Thea? Another putus. Giputos sa bayo yung letter. Dear Teacher Joy, Happy Valentine's Char. Sorry kung amo lang ni akong mahatag, amo lang kasi ni ako ma-afford char. Hahabito, I just wanna say thank you sa pagtudlo na amon. Tas paghatag hindi ko nagrado. Tas og palangga sa amon, hihi. Bitaw, Char, sorry kung pasawayon may tas di may namiminawhin usa kasaway. Love you, Char, bisag pasawayon ko. Love you, Aptika, Char. Char, sip, sip. Promise, Char, babagoon ko na akong batasan, tas mag-study na ko, tas maniguro na ko. Thank you for giving me good grades. Bisag gagmay kong score, nalipay good sila, Mama, Char, nadako ko og grades. Thank you so much, Char. I love you always and forever. I will miss you, Char, kay mo high school naman mi. Oh, ayaw kong kalim, teacher. You're guwapa na student. Joke. Thank you, Tia. Oh, na-honor na. Kaya naning kamot na. Uy, Althea, maula ko niya na-afford. Pero, Tia nag-atag sa this one. Kani. Atin na flower. Wala ko niya. Althea na Aldonsa. Maula ko niya ma-afford. Pero Tia nag-atag ito. Ay, from Chami. May gift to Chami. Ang pilit ang iya papil. Oh, last one. Tada! This is from Asher. Another mug. Unboxing, unboxing. Woohoo! Wow! Happy Valentine's Day to the best teacher ever from Asher. Tada! May panahon. Adi profile picture. Thank you. That's it. Okay.